Next point is first law of thermodynamics. Observe this video. In this case, this is cylinder. Inside the cylinder, gas is filled, and this is piston, frictionless, massless piston, moving up and downside. Actually, if gas molecules are doing random motion, then if you provide heat energy to these gas molecules, these gas molecules absorbs heat energy, and by absorbing heat energy, internal energy of this gas increases, as well as this gas expands and piston moves upside, that is do work done. Consider a cylinder with a movable, massless and frictionless piston. एक movable, massless and frictionless piston आपण consider केला जो cylinder मध्ये आहे. First case, consider the work done by the system. Piston moves through a finite distance, so gas does a positive work on the piston. Initially, suppose piston is moving outside, that is gas expands. This is the work done by the system, and this is positive. When the piston is pushed in so that the volume of the gas decreases, the gas does negative work on the piston. If you push piston inside, then gas volume decreases, then this work done is negative work done on the piston. Now consider this cylinder having, let the cross section area of the cylinder be capital A and pressure is P. The total force exerted by the system on the piston will be F is equal to PA, force exerted by system on piston. System piston वरती act केलेला force आहे, force equal to pressure into area. If the piston moves dx, the work done. If the piston moves small distance dx, then work done takes place. In this case, work done is equal to force into displacement, and putting value of force is equal to pressure into area. Then again, area into distance is volume. Putting value of area into distance is volume. Again, this work done becomes dw equal to P into dv. If the initial volume Vi and the final volume Vf, then total work done means to displacement dx only work done required is dw. Small displacement dx होण्यासाठी लागलेला work done dw आहे. Now total work done required to push this piston from initial volume Vi to final volume Vf is w equal to integration of this P dv, that is dw, from limit Vi to Vf. Then solving this integration, you will get P into bracket Vf minus Vi. The change in volume in this case is small. यामध्ये volume small आहे, change in volume. W हे टोटल वर्क डन आहे. टोटल वर्क डन फ्रॉम इनिशियल व्हॉल्यूम VI टू VF, म्हणजे पिस्टन ज्यावेळी मूव्ह होईल ते व्हॉल्यूम बदलेल. VI व्हॉल्यूम पासून VF व्हॉल्यूम पर्यंत जे वर्क डन झालेलं आहे ते वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू P into bracket VF minus VI. Right, complete. When the amount of heat supplied Q, then increase in its internal energy. जर आपण Q एवढे अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी सप्लाय केली तर त्याची गॅसची इंटरनल एनर्जी राइज होते. That is delta U, change in internal energy, equal to Q, amount of heat supplied. When the system does some work to increase its volume, then internal energy decreases. System ने जर volume increase करण्यासाठी जर work done केलं तर system ची internal energy decrease होते. If W is the positive when delta U is negative or vice versa, म्हणजे work done जेव्हा पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा delta U निगेटिव्ह असतं, किंवा delta U पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर work done निगेटिव्ह असतं. In practice, the internal energy can change by both the ways. That is, change in internal energy equal to heat energy supplied minus work done. जी काय internal change होते ती आपण सप्लाय केलेली heat energy minus work done, यानंतर आपल्याला ती change in internal energy मिळते delta U. This is the mathematical statement of first law of thermodynamics. Delta U equal to Q minus W, or Q equal to delta U plus W. म्हणजे amount of heat supplied Q equal to change in internal energy plus work done. Means total amount of heat energy supplied. Out of that heat energy supplied, some energy is used to raise the internal energy of this gas, plus remaining energy is used to do the work done. That is first law of thermodynamics. That is Q equal to delta U plus W. First law of thermodynamics statement: when the amount of heat Q is added to system its internal energy is increased by an amount delta U and the remaining is lost in the form of work done on the surrounding. म्हणजे आपण जर Q इतकी हीट एनर्जी आपण त्याला जर दिलेली आहे, दिलेल्या एनर्जीपैकी डेल्टा U इतकी एनर्जी त्याची गॅसची इंटरनल एनर्जी राईज करायला वापरली जाते आणि राहिलेली एनर्जी वर्क डन करण्यासाठी लॉस होते. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching videos and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.